Hello. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Jane Grindell, principal of Preston High School, and I'm delighted to welcome you here today. Here at Preston, we provide a values-based education that strives to shape our students into young women of dignity, honor, respect, and compassion. How do we accomplish this? Through a rigorous academic curriculum that provides a solid foundation for college success, through our service program that provides practical experience and develops a commitment to help people in need, through communal gatherings that expand horizons and promote student participation and a sense of belonging, through a wide variety of co-curricular options, including sports, honor societies, cultural clubs, and special interest clubs, and through exposure to new ideas and new possibilities that empower our students to be their best selves. In an all-girls environment, students feel freer to openly express their opinions, to take on leadership roles, and to be themselves. Returning graduates consistently report that they feel Preston has prepared them very well to meet the challenges of college and career. Again, we thank you for your interest in our school. To the 7th and 8th graders among us, we hope that by the end of your visit, you will get some sense that Preston High School is a welcoming community where students enjoy learning and, we hope, where you can see yourselves being happy, learning much, making new friends, and becoming women of dignity, honor, respect, and compassion. Thank you.